So you've learned how to use the spinners, but what I want to do is I want to give my students some independent thinking time, and I want to do it with a certain amount of time. So I have my content pulled up on my screen. I have my spinner with what I want them to find, but I need to give them a time. Now I want to add how much time, but I want to leave this on the screen. So I'm going to come back to my unified menu. I'm going to select locker. This time I'm going to add a timer. When I add my timer, it's going to also act as an overlay on my screen. I'm going to slide this over to the side. I have second, minute, and then hour. I can click on the drop down and I could have a timer. I could also have a stopwatch, and I could actually have an analog clock if I wanted. For this activity, I'm going to come back to my timer, and just like before, I can add. And just like before, if I'd like, I can click on the plus sign and I can add multiple timers. To do this for 5 minutes, I'm going to give them 5 minutes. They need to be prepared to answer these 3 questions that are found in the Christopher Columbus story that is in Pebble Go. But what I want to do is make this larger because I want my students to be able to see the timer. So I'm going to click on play. I'm going to click play, and I'm going to click the 2 arrows, and they're pointing opposite directions. When I click on them, it is now going to take over my screen. So I still have my spinner. I have my timer. They can watch the numbers. They're also going to see the red go away. And as the time goes away, they're going to know they're running out of time. When time's up, and then I can click on those same double arrows again to return to my screen.